Hi guys! Welcome back to another woodworking tutorial episode of Infinite Builds. It has been a long time since my last DIY woodworking project, so excuse me if I'm a little rusty. This time, I am building this small Japanese makeup table. I only use 1x2 ply wood for this project, so it will be a challenge for sure. Because I just moved to a new place, I don't have my old table saw anymore. I decided to visit a local makerspace called STEM Open Lab. I borrowed their mini table saw. Luckily, my wood is thin enough for this saw. This saw is pretty easy to use, but it does not have a riving knife. I take extreme caution, making sure that I stand on the right side of the blade to stay safe just in case of a kickback happening. To make the table surface, I am going to use dowel to join all these wood planks together with glue. Since I don't have pipe clamps, I will be joining them one by one. It's my first time using the dowel jig to create dowel joint, so I was pretty nervous. Overall, this jig is pretty useful because it quickly lets you center the drill hole with ease, and you can align the dowel location accurately. After drilling the holes, I spread a layer of wood glue onto the contact surface and inside the holes to reinforce each dowel. It's just like Lego. To make sure that the table surface is well glued together, I use some wood clamps to reinforce the bottom. I also use dowels and wood glue to make the apron for the table. To make table legs for each side of the table, I am going to incorporate each leg to the apron on the left and right side of the table using dowel. After a little bit of struggling, I learned a trick from YouTube Academy to mark drill holes for corner dowel alignment using painter tapes. To be honest with you guys, it was really satisfying to have these glued together with the dowel. Next up, I'm going to use threaded inserts and bolts to attach the legs to the table apron. First, I will clamp the working pieces together like I assemble, so that I could mark out the drill holes on the inside. Second, I will use a bigger drill bit to drill out the holes on which the threaded inserts will fit in. Third, I will use a hex bit to drive the threaded inserts into the holes, making sure it is going in straight instead of at an angle. I did the same thing for the other side. Once the threaded inserts are flush against the surface, I put in the legs and bolt it in place. To finish this table, I sanded all the surfaces with 40, 150, and 400 grit sandpaper, making sure all the rough edges are smooth to the touch. Inspired by Japanese style, I designed this table so that the user can sit on the floor while doing their makeups. I bought a bear-shaped mirrors with LED to fit with the whole aesthetic visual. Looks cute, isn't it?
I think this table is beautiful and suitable for me and for my room, because my room is tiny, its size is really minimalist. Especially I like the lighted up mirror. Thank you to my boyfriend. Thank you, Infinity Bills.